So hello everyone, I am Ankit and in this video we are going to start with the actual coding part of machine learning. In the previous video we have learned about the basic concepts of machine learning and what it is and where these things are being used. So in order to go to actual coding part we need to install some dependencies first. So first we are going to install Miniconda or Anaconda. So you can choose any of these, Miniconda or Anaconda, whatever you want to install. Miniconda is basically the minimal version of Anaconda and does almost the same work. So if you install Miniconda, that is sufficient for this work. So for installing Miniconda we need to head towards our browser and search for Miniconda or Anaconda, but in my case I am looking for Miniconda. So just go with the first link and you will be prompted to the official website of Miniconda or Anaconda. So as you can see there are multiple listings for Anaconda, but what you need to do is install the one with Python 3.7 version. So and Miniconda or Anaconda both are available for multiple OS or whichever you are using. As you can see that it is also for Windows, Mac OS, Linux, so and for 64-bit, 32-bit, whatever version of PC you are using. So actually I have installed Miniconda previously, so I'll skip this part. You all need to install download this and install in your system, then move to the next part. Just pause the video till you have done all these, and after installing these, if you are using Linux or Mac OS, just head towards the terminal, or if you are using Windows, go to start menu and search for Anaconda prompt. So after installing Miniconda or Anaconda, we need to create a virtual environment for Python, which we are going to use for our machine learning purpose, and we will store all our algorithm and all our coding stuff there. So for creating a virtual environment we need to create a Python 3.5 environment. So just type exactly these codes. This is my description section of this video, so you can get these codes from there, but anyways I am showing you here. So in order to create virtual environment, you need to write these codes. Contact so I just create. So this will be installing the packages of virtual environment. So just proceed with Y. So as you can see that we are done with the creation of our virtual environment. So in order to activate our virtual environment, you can see that currently we are in the base environment of Conda. So you can see that here it is written base. So in order to activate our virtual environment, we need to write some command like conda active. So you can see that the base have currently changed to py35. That means we are into our virtual environment. So now we need to install some Python packages which we are going to use in our machine learning coding. That will make our work a lot more easier. So first we need to install NumPy. So NumPy is a Python package which supports multi-dimensional arrays, and it has some inbuilt mathematical function that will make our work a lot easier. So in order to install NumPy, we just need to write it will automatically download all these data. So you can see that it will consume like 135 MBs of data. So we just need to press Y and hit enter. It will take a lot of time, so I'll just fast forward the video. So see that we are done with installing NumPy. So next we need to install is Pandas. So where Pandas will be used? Panda is a Python library which basically used for managing files. So in this in machine learning we actually need to operate on big data, files that includes large number of data. So in order to manage these files we will be requiring pandas. So in order to install panda, just do same as conda install pandas. So it will automatically install all these. So what we need to install next is matplotlib. So matplotlib is a Python library which is used to plot various kind of graphs. So we actually need to plot our results. So in that we will be using matplotlib. So as you can see that it will also be requiring some hundreds of MBs of data. Matplotlib 2. So just we are now left with just one package, that is Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook is basically a Python notebook for executing commands in segments. It will make our work a lot easier to code in Python. So just head to your terminal and write these commands. So now we are done with installing all of our dependencies. It's time to start operating on these dependencies. So for operating on Jupyter Notebook, we first need to create a folder where we are going to store all of our codes. So I'll just create a directory on my home named ML, and I'll open Jupyter Notebook here. So as you can see that Jupyter Notebook has been installed, and currently the directory is empty, so it is not showing any kind of files here. We can create a new file by going here and clicking on Python 3. So you can see that we have got a window where we are prompted to write some codes. So this one is going to execute all of our Python code. So for example, I'll write here a is equal to 3 and print a. So it will print 3. So now we have confirmed that this is working with Python 3. And in the next video, I'll start with the first algorithm, that is KNN, K nearest neighbor algorithm.